Hadirin baka Mynken Christian High Secondary School kerajop ikadan ke balai nak lempung ila kai second Indo-Fran football tournament ke belong hanong ba Paris France Dangsien menta sagakan hun under 18 yang kami kerja state football team ka Shah Khot singubha ban lek ai ban Shah kai hakal akademi yang ke Olympic Lyonnais Academy ke badon hapo France kawai nak akademi ke bapau nama hakal Europe kani ka akademi ka Khot ban aji kai alpusngi ya ka kan honi ka me khaya how Jylliew aja apsan ya kani la yathu dom trang ba ka Jylliew kon ke sangma mata kasngi ha ka jing put buram ya ka kan honi ya kai football jong ka Mynken Christian Academy ke balong hanong ba Shillong ukonar o yathu ba ka Sorkar ka yarap san pulak tangka ya ka Mynken Christian High Secondary School ha ka Jingleit jong ka Sharifran ban simenta ha ka tai kelempung.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a joy to be here once again to Super Cup 2024. Champions in the state level Super Cup 2024. Richborn Kharpuri, please come forward. Vinshailam L. Nonglat. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Pamsat. Sandur Ravindra. Frankie Dikhal. Bantrebor Omjo. Alistair Mccabe. Banangsan Longklang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.